Hello, I'm Angela Jones, Executive Director for Economy and Infrastructure. We have an exciting opportunity for a port manager to join our fantastic team here at the Port of Workington in Cumbria. The port is strategically located in the west of the UK on the beautiful Cumbria coastline. It's ideally located as a gateway to the rest of the UK, Ireland, Europe and beyond. Situated at the River Derwent, south of the Solway Firth and at the edge of the Lake District National Park, there is no better place to live and work. Cumbria County Council has owned the port for 45 years and we offer a multimodal logistics and freight facility for sea, road and rail, supporting the economy of Cumbria. We're looking for someone to join our team to manage the operations of the port and our 50-acre site. You'll have responsibility and oversight for marine services, cargo operations, warehousing, and working with our partners to develop our logistics and warehousing hub. We're looking for someone with operational experience and commercial acumen to be able to realise our ambition and fulfil our potential.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Leahu, the Port Manager at Workington, and we handle about 320,000 tonnes of cargo per annum, and it's a variety of cargoes from forest products to dry bulks to bulk liquids, and our offer really is supporting local industry. The Port of Workington, we can handle vessels up to 10,000 tonnes deadweight, draft around 8 metres on spring tides and around 6 metres on neap tides. So we're quite a handy size for cargo vessels. In addition to our marine services, we also offer a comprehensive cargo handling services with stevedoring, craneage and warehousing.
We have ambitious plans for the port, working with our partners to grow the port as a key centre for innovation and technology, supporting the growing offshore UK wind and clean energy sector, supporting Cumbria to become net zero carbon. If you're looking for an inspiring career in a role that challenges and rewards you, then contact us and come and join us here at the Port of Workington in Cumbria.
I'm Matthew Wanning. I am Project Lead with Cumbria County Council. We are here on Lowther Street in Carlisle, Cumbria to talk about plastic roads and the Live Labs project we have been working on with the Department for Transport and the Association of Directors, Environment, Economy, Planning and Transport, otherwise known as ADEPT. The ADEPT Smart Places programme is a 2-year £23 million project funded by the Department for Transport. 9 local authorities are working on projects to introduce digital innovation across several areas, including highways, transport, maintenance, data and communications. Cumbria secured £1.6 million to investigate the sustainability and suitability of using waste plastic additives in highways construction. We will be investigating the environmental and economic benefits of using plastic, as well as quantities which could be saved from going to landfill or incineration. So the scheme on Lowther Street behind us here was completed at the end of July. We've surfaced over 3,000 metres squared with the use of both a standard material and material containing the McReba additive. We've been working with McReba for several years now. They are the company that have developed the additive. It's made from waste plastic, so it's plastic that was destined for landfill or incineration, so it doesn't take anything out of the recycling stream. And the idea is that it replaces part of the bitumen, so the black sticky stuff used in highways construction, and it replaces that with the waste plastic. We've used 2 of their 3 additives on site today to try and see which works best for the carriageway. The Cumbria's project in the ADEPT Smart Places programme is utilising Cumbria's highways to then allow us to push that across as a national option. So if we can understand what benefits it is for Cumbria, for example, we can then pass that on to somewhere like Greater Manchester to see how it would work for them. So we're working directly with ADEPT and the Department for Transport, as well as several contractors as part of the project. So the project here was working with Hanson's, as with obviously McCreeber as well. When the material was laid here at Lowther Street, we laid it in several panels. So there were sections of carriageway that was laid as a standard material so that we would use on any part of the network, which was used as a control sample. And then there was panels laid with the McCreeber additive in. This allows us to compare the new with the old as such, and what allows us to see what benefits that the products can bring to us as a highways authority if we're getting longer, stronger, better class of road.
Okay, so this is the infectious science laboratory, and this is a mixture of virology, immunology, microbiology. So for coronavirus, we're specifically looking for relating to the virology discipline. And so we're receiving all of those swab samples that people are taking for coronavirus, and they're received into the laboratory, and they're analysed for coronavirus results. Roche Cobas 6800 has a capacity and it's scored in 384 in an 8-hour shift, but we're actually working 12-hour shifts at the moment, so that capacity is even bigger. Overall, we do a variety of different techniques of different tests, so as the pressure of the more experienced molecular staff are concentrating on coronavirus, we've managed to shift other pieces of work to microbiology staff. The microbiology staff are coming in to help us to do some pre-analytical side of things, and so everyone's chipping in together, doing various things to help support testing. We're asking more people to come in, and we don't really need to ask. People are all offering volunteering to give up their time, to give up the bank holiday weekends to come in to help get with that service provision.
But the communication's been good, isn't it?
Yeah.
From our line manager, she keeps everybody informed, and so the team really appreciate that. They know what's going on, but it changes hour to hour. It's a really movable feast. We're the only lab in the country that's a joint virology and immunology, but we have a platform that can run both disciplines. All the staff within the department are cross-trained between those two disciplines, but immunology, you find throughout the country, fits in with blood sciences. I've known it being histology as well, but we are the only one that's a joint virology and immunology, which we're very proud.
It is fantastic to see the work continuing on this major infrastructure project. A superb asset to the local community and Lake District as a whole, and a beautiful bridge for a beautiful area in Cumbria. Thanks to all the hard work and dedication of all our teams involved, County Council and contractors Eric Wright, local community for their support and understanding throughout this project.
I'm Diane Bourne, the Managing Director of Eric Wright Civil Engineering. The design of this stainless steel bridge, I think, is a real fitting tribute to the one that stood here for over 250 years and really complements the local scenery. And we're really pleased that this local community are going to be connected again very soon, and we really thank them for all their support and patience.
Okay, so my name's Craig Mitchell. I'm the project manager for Cumbria County Council for Pooley Bridge. Today, obviously, we've undertaken the first major lift for the main structure of the bridge, which has been lifted in place this morning in about 4 hours' time. We lifted about 300 tonnes of concrete and steel over the river quite successfully without dropping it, which is always good. And know we've got about 3 or 4 months' work to actually make the bridge complete. Obviously, we'll be doing that as quickly as possible now to try to make sure that when Poole is open for business again, that the bridge is already in place for people to be able to come and enjoy this beautiful place.
So this is a great day for the community. We've been longing for this for the last 4.5 years since Desmond took away our lovely old bridge. And we're so thrilled to see this in place. It's a real milestone for the community, not only here in Poole Bridge, but up and down the Ullswater Valley. We're really sorry people couldn't come to see it today, but obviously had to keep away. And well, we can't wait to welcome people back as and when it's sensible and safe to do so, because it's been a very hard time for the community, and we'd like to think the end is in sight. And it's been great helping with this project for the last goodness knows how long. And I'd really like to pay tribute to the county and its team, the bridge team, the recovery team, particularly Craig Mitchell, who's managed things with great sense and good humour, and Eric Wright, of course, who've done the construction work. So it's a big cheer all round for everybody.